Hi guys, this is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video we will continue with our series of growing a Pinterest profile and get more traffic on your blog and your affiliate offers. So I'm just doing the remodeling of my own profile. I'm just telling you what the exact steps which I did to grow my Pinterest profile in 20 days. You can check out my Pinterest profile in the description down below. And you can also check out my video where I showed you my Pinterest profile and how I had grown it. In the previous video, I showed you how you need to create a business profile on Pinterest. So this is the profile which we had created in the previous video. So we're gonna grow this profile together. So today, what we will be doing is we will be adding boards on our Pinterest profile. So what exactly are the boards? Boards are just like notice boards which you may have seen in your schools and colleges where the important notices, important pins are placed. So the way which you have to use boards in Pinterest, you need to create different boards which needs to be different topics, different subtopics in your niche. So you can say the boards are your sub niches in your main niche. So the main niche which I had chosen for this particular example, this particular profile is smart gadgets. And I'm using the gadgets from Kickbooster Marketplace, which I had shown you in the last video as well. Now, my sub niches, my subboards are going to be the categories in the Kick Booster marketplace. So these are the different categories: art, automotive, beauty and personal care, design, education, everyday carry. So these are going to be my boards. So if you are promoting Amazon products as an affiliate and you have created a profile based on Amazon, then your boards can be the different categories, different marketplaces within Amazon. So when you get started, before you create your own pins and all that good stuff, you need to have a profile which looks good. So you need to create 10 different boards. And how you need to do is I'm right now logged in to the profile which we created. Now just go over here and click on it. I can say view profile. Okay, it will come to this particular page and you can see different sections over here: overview, boards, pins, tries, followers, following. We have to go into boards and we need to click on create board. So the first board which I'm going to create is for art. Let me see if they have anything related to art. Okay, they have few products related to art. So smart. So what I'll do is school art gadgets. Okay, so this is going to be our first board, and you need to put few pins on this board as well. So we will do it. We will do it later on. So we'll go back to boards. Now click and we'll create another board. And this time I'm going to choose automotive. So cool automotive gadgets. So I have created my second board as well. Now we'll follow the same steps once again. Go into boards, create a new board, beauty and personal care. Okay, we'll put something else like cool beauty and personal care gadgets. Now, as you can see, we have got 3 boards created. So now you have got the idea. Let me just pause this video for some time, and I'll be back after creating all the boards, and we'll carry on from there on. Okay. All right, I'm back, and I have created 10 boards based on the categories in Kick Booster. So the 10 boards are cool sporting goods, cool lawn and garden products, cool home goods, smart health products, cool new games, smart fashion products, cool everyday carry gadgets, cool beauty and personal care products, cool automotive gadgets, cool art gadgets. Now the next thing which we have to do is we need to fill up these boards with some pins, not necessarily our pins, but we need to put some pins on these boards. So at least 5 pins per board. So sporting goods is our first board. So let's go to search and type sporting goods. Okay, here we have some sporting goods. And you need to choose all pins which are related to sporting goods, and these are the different pins which other peoples are promoting, other peoples are putting on their boards, and we're gonna pick like 5 pins. It doesn't matter what we pick. Now what we have to do is we need to go into any pin which we like and click on save, and now it shows us all the boards which we had created. So since we are going to pin it on sporting goods, so we'll just did it, and if you want to see if it has been pinned on our board, let's check it out. New profile, boards. So, okay, you can see there's a 1 pin on cool sporting goods. Now we have to pin to 5 pins. Okay, 2, 3, 4, and we'll put 5. Okay, let's go over here and just refresh it, and you can see we've got 5 pins on cool sporting goods. This is what we have to do for all our 10 boards. So again, I'm just gonna pause this video and I'm quickly put some pins on my empty boards, and I'll be back with you. Hey guys, I'm back, and I have put in 5 pins on each of my boards. So now you can see the profile looks good as compared to previously with those empty boards. So even though we haven't created our own pins, that is perfectly fine. We have to create the boards and make sure the profile looks good. This is what we are supposed to do today, and we have done it. So now I request you all to follow the same what I did in this video, and in the next video I'm going to show you the follow and unfollow technique which we have to do. So stay tuned, and if you found some value out of this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.